Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to just be making some general home decor. So I'm starting off with these coasters. They have some placemats as well, so I was about to call it a placemat, but 2 pack of coasters. I've got these silver ones here, so I'm just going to get rid of the packaging because it's secured with a tag. And I've placed mine like this. I'm just going to secure it with some glue. I have added a little bit off camera because I really didn't want it to move around. I was happy with the placement of it. I'm just adding more hot glue there. And you can stick them however you like. You can go with 1 if you want, for example, and then you can go with 2 and just have a look at how you want to place them. But I'm happy with this, so taking some more glue and just making sure it's stuck down. Now I'm going to paint it because this isn't a colour that I use in my decor. So I'm going to be using this tester pot from Wilko. I'm also going to add in some bicarbonate of soda. I always do this because I really love the texture it gives it, but you don't have to do it. You can just add the paint as is. And that's a lot. Let's get rid of a little bit. And I'm just actually going to mix it in the pot itself because I'm always using this anyway. This is a little bit too thick, so the way that I like to water it down is just taking some glue. You can use Mod Podge, it's just expensive, so I'm using PVA here. You don't have to add glue to the mix, it's just because mine is really thick. I feel like I'm mixing some kind of concoction because look at it. It really froths up, especially when I add the glue. Alright, I think that's hopefully all mixed. So now I'm going to add it to this. Probably going to need a few coats. Make sure you get the back as well. And have your hair dryer at the ready because it really speeds up the process. I'm going to be using my heat gun. I actually can't find my hair dryer. It's gone walkies. So we've got another heat wave coming. Joys of summer for all those that love summer. I do like summer, but I can't really stand when it gets too hot. Make sure there's plenty of water if you are in the UK, out in your garden for all the animals. Right, so this is 1 layer so far. We're going to try that and then see if we need another coat, and then I need to turn it around and do the same. So I've decided I'm not going to go with another coat because I do like that some of that is coming through, like it's not the whole solid colour of this cream colour, and I do like that. So I'm flipping it round and I'm just going to paint this side and dry it, and then I can go ahead and stick it. I've wanted to do something with these coasters for so long. I've got the placemats as well, so I haven't thought of my second DIY yet. We'll see if I'll use those in the same video or not. So this is all dry now and I'm really happy with it. Doesn't it look like a sculpture? I really like how the paint is. So the next thing I'm using is this, which I got for £1 from the thrift store, and I can't remember, someone told me what it was when I did a haul on my other channel. I think it's used for restaurants. So this is what I'm going to be using to hold this, and I'm going to glue it like this at an angle, not like that. This looks a lot better in my opinion. So we're going to go with that, and you can use whatever glue you want. Super glue E6000. I'm going to use my hot glue. I always use hot glue for everything. So let's have a look at where I need to stick it because I'm happy with that. just adding a generous amount, and then I'm just going to take this and go ahead and stick it down. So here's the first completed project. What do you guys think? I'm really happy with it, especially the colour. I just really love this combination, by the way, the black and the cream. For the next DIY, I am going to be using the placemat. So I'm taking the same silver one, and you get, I think, just one in a pack. I'm also going to be using the bowl, which I love. I mean the plate, sorry. I really love these because they're uneven. Can you see here? So it really looks handmade, and I also like the gradient on there. But we're going to be changing the colour, so you're not going to see any of that. I'm going to paint this black, and then this is same colour just to match with the coasters and the sculpture kind of ornament that we've made earlier. So I'm going to remove this little piece, and then I think I'm going to paint these separately and then stick them together later. So let's just get rid of that. Let's start with painting the plate, and I would spray paint, but my cats are always around, so I have to just do this by hand. So I'm just taking my acrylic paint to do this. I love using these sponge brushes. It's a lot quicker than the paint brushes, and it helps the paint actually stick to surfaces. I really like, can you see the strokes there? And the background, the actual original colour is coming through. Again, I really like that. So hopefully, I think I'm going to stay with just one coat, and I'm going to just dry this now. Now I'm painting this. Now I'm going to add a generous amount of glue to stick this in the centre. I thought I needed to do the other side, but I forgot that we're actually going to stick it down flat anyway. So bonus, you don't have to go and paint the back. And then this is going to be a wall lot, so you can have it actually just like leaning against the wall, or you can add a backing on the back and then have it hanging on the wall. I really love this. What style would you say that this is? I think it's modern, minimal, mid-century, which is all the styles that I like anyway. I actually really can't wait to hang this up on my wall. For the last DIY, I'm going to be taking this glass tumbler from Poundland and some marbles. I'm going to take my hot glue and we're going to glue them onto this here. And this is how it looks finished. It almost feels a shame to have to spray paint this, isn't it? It's just not going to go though, so I'm going to have to do it, but it really is beautiful, just like this, so you can keep it like this. I'm going to use the same colour that I've used. I actually need to send Tabby to buy more because I'm running out, so I'll have to carry this on tomorrow morning, but I'm going to just do the same colour to match all of the other pieces that we've made. I'm taking a thinner paintbrush to get into all of the gaps. Much easier if you spray paint this. You know, I've always wanted to have one of these, and now I do, but what's even better is that I've made it. So definitely let me know what you think of all of these projects, which one is your favourite. Make sure you subscribe for more content like this. Thank you so much for watching, take care of yourselves, I'll see you in the next video, bye for now.